What a wonderful weekend we've been having. Lots of sun sticking around through the course of the day, and our temperatures are impacted because of that as well. And there's a good spread from the western side to the eastern side where we are in those temperatures, all thanks to that cloud cover. And what I'm referring to is we had pretty much full-on sunshine throughout the course of the day, maybe a stray cloud here and there, but that's just really on the horizon if you're watching. Versus, look at this. There's basically a straight line all the way from north to south, bisecting the clouds. On the western side, you have the clouds, even a little bit of precipitation working its way up. On the eastern side, we had dry air infiltrating our atmosphere, and that's chipping away at all this cloud cover over there, all thanks to a high pressure system in the region. Now, those clouds actually help to bolster our temperatures on the eastern side where we had none, versus on the western side where they were dealing with that through the course of the day, and they hardly changed temperature-wise through the course of the day. And the high point on the map being Aberdeen at that 68 degrees, so just a gorgeous Sunday to end off our April. Now, what we're going to plan over the next couple of days is this high-pressure system that's in the general region, helping to keep our skies nice and clear. That is slowly going to dissipate and move off to the east as it loses energy, and this cold front isn't really potent. In fact, it's more of just a boundary separation that's going to impact the winds and change them out of a northerly pattern, and with that incur some cloud cover, potentially a drop, but overall we're expected to remain completely dry with this. Once again, only watching for maybe a stray drop to work its way on through, and really those potentials are obscenely low. I'd put it about 5% probability for a drop to actually fall because of that. So Tuesday, for the most part, partly cloudy day, but on the backside, you'll notice that next high-pressure system off to our west, that's going to keep Wednesday and Thursday very sunny once again. All right, localizing this view once again, lots of sunshine through the course of the day on Monday, making for a wonderful day. Tuesday, though, here comes that light cold front pushing on through, once again incurring some cloud cover, potentially maybe a drop, but really discount those potentials as it's going to be very much dry. Winds as well, very light, very calm, and in fact, over the course of the evening, that's going to help us to cool back off to around 36 degrees for a low. But here you notice those winds are changing. That is that boundary separation, that weak cold front that moves on through. That'll help to encourage the winds to come out of the north then, along with that little bit of increased cloud cover. But for tonight, we're going to reach our low of 36 degrees, clear skies overhead, very light winds, staying with light winds as well tomorrow, and our temperatures, thanks to little clouds in the sky, bolstering to 70 degrees for a high. Variable winds as well, still through the course of the day on Monday. Tuesday, I put the percentage at about 20%, but really it's just going to be such a low chance for drops that overall plan on Tuesday being a dry day with just that band of passing clouds with the cold front working its way on through. Wednesday, Thursday, high pressure system sets back in, but then Friday and then into the weekend, we are watching a little bit of a system start to work its way up out of the south and west, and with that, for the most part, we are watching for mostly a rain event, but a couple little isolated thunderstorms could be associated with that as well. So we're watching for just a couple rumbles to factor in, but for the most part, a rain event all in all. As temperatures rebound back into those 70s, which I think everyone is excited for at this time of year. All right, I'm meteorologist Colin Raskowitz with the Watertown Weather Watch forecast. Thank you much for joining me, and have a wonderful remainder of your weekend.